How can you change your background in the Google Meet on your Android? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, you can open up the app and start a new call by tapping on the new button. And you can just, type in some like random people or whatever, whoever is like suggested to you, or you can just create a link, right? So that is how you can basically start it, whatever. But the point is that you can get inside of the call like so. And in order to manage your background or yourself, you can click on your picture like that. So you can see you can join it like so. And then when you select your picture, you can basically play with the effects right there. So you can select your, as I said, like viewfinder for the front camera, and you can literally find the backgrounds, filters, and appearance, right? So you can like set up a filter for the way that you look, or you can set up a filter which is going to be usually something funny or some accessory which you can add. But the backgrounds are really nice because you have some like created by default. You have some 360 degrees background, so you're going to be like able to like look around and the background is going to change. Or you also have something like professional backgrounds and so many different styles. But you as well have the ability to blur the background behind yourself, or add a image for from the gallery which you're going to use as the actual background. So yeah, so many ways how you can use it. Let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and quick guides like this, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.